Hi everyone, welcome to English is Easy with RB. My name is Rajdeep Banerjee. Today we're going to learn how to use the word apocryphal. As you can see, there are four syllables: a, then poc, then re, and lastly phal. Apocryphal. The stress is on the second syllable. Apocryphal. It refers to a story that is probably not true, although it is often told and believed by some people to have happened. For example, many people consider the stories of ghost sightings to be apocryphal. So basically, it refers to a story, an account that's of doubtful authenticity. I hope you got to learn something new. Until next time, this is RB signing off.